everyone, I'm Pooja and you're watching Stay Charming. In today's video, I'm going to make this beautiful braided hairstyle which is super easy. But make sure before we start you subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell button to get notification of future videos. So let's get started with the hairstyle. So for this hairstyle, I have done side parting and taking small section, I'm making normal 3-strand braid. Now I have secured it with the help of a tic-tac pin so that it doesn't get opened. Now I am taking some more section from my hair in a way so that this 3-strand braid comes exactly in the center of my hair. And now I am making fishtail braid with the help of this section. Now I'm pulling my hair to give this braid a little voluminous and messy look. Then I'm going to secure it with the help of a tic-tac pin at the back side of my hair. Now I'm going to place this braid exactly in the center of the previous braid and secure it with the help of tic-tac pin. Now hairstyle is ready. It looks super gorgeous, super amazing. You can make this hairstyle for any party. You can carry this hairstyle with any kind of dress. It looks super cute. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you really enjoyed the video, don't forget to press the like button. It means a lot to me. Also become part of my charming family by subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell button right next to it to get the notification of future videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll meet you later. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye, take care.